All right, I ordered 2 new grommets for those fuel gauges. Super simple to do this, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to just pry out with a flat screwdriver this old one. Slide it off. Was quite worn out. That's probably why it was leaking. All right, we're going to put the new one on. We're going to take the new one and just slide it over the little plunger. When it's in place, it's going to have the little lip, so it'll slide in dish detergent. And it doesn't take a lot of it, just take a drop. And we're just going to lubricate this O-ring. And that's just going to allow it to slide in the tank a whole lot easier. So you're just going to put that Dawn on this O-ring. So with the new gasket on, make sure your gas gauge is facing the operator. That's it. And we're just going to do the same thing. Take a flathead screwdriver and we're going to pry that out. This one here is in horrible shape also. So we're going to replace this one also. See, it's got a huge chunk out of it right there. What you got going on? I'm recording. Put 1 dot of soap. Just working around that O-ring or gasket seal. As you can see, that was really simple to change that out. It's like a 5-minute repair, and the part was only like $8 for each tank. And that will eliminate that gas smell that you might have in your garage, or when you're mowing and you see gas running out of the tank on those gauges. That might be what it is. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it.